After the accident, the black cat laughed loudly. Seeing this, the kitten was filled with rage.
Oh no!
Determined to catch the black cat, the kitten vowed to become a police officer. 10 years later, the kitten had grown into a distinguished police officer. Meanwhile, the black cat had become a notorious bank robber.
Stop!
Finally, the kitten confronted the black cat responsible for the accident. Through the kitten's brave efforts, the black cat was found guilty and sent to prison.